What's up, you guys? StealthyRS here once again with another video just for you. And today, I guess I got a little bit of explaining to do. In the last video, probably left you a little bit confused, and I can see why. I was actually going to release a video right after that that didn't regard this video whatsoever, and there's a reason behind my absence. So I want to just go ahead and apologize about that. I've been meaning to post videos about this, but I just haven't had the time. So here it is. So you guys are probably wondering, well, what's up with the F-150? Well, there's a long story behind that, and I've been meaning to tell you guys. The Focus RS is at the dealership getting some work done. It appears that I may have blown the engine. Maybe I just blew the head gasket. I did have the recall done back in February, but right at 1 year of ownership to the day, on my wife's birthday, my car decided that it didn't want to be with me anymore. When I started it up, I noticed that it seemed like it was misfiring. So immediately I checked the plugs, and that didn't seem to be the issue. So I moved on from that. I started monitoring the coolant, and it turns out that my coolant is disappearing somewhere. So I know it's a common problem with the Focus RS that the head gasket leaks all the coolant out, and over time it was just losing coolant faster and faster. So I decided to take it into the dealership as soon as possible, and now I'm just waiting for a diagnostics report to see what they diagnose, see what the problem is. Hopefully it's not a cracked block. I want this car back as soon as possible. And of course, when you start up the car, you get this white smoke. It just fills up the whole garage full of it. It's a lot. It's a terrible smell. You can smell the coolant, definitely, without a doubt. I'm almost 100% certain that it's going to be the head gasket. Maybe, I'm sure they'll probably be replacing the head as well, because I'm sure it got warped. So if that's the case, the car will be out even longer. I'm absolutely gutted about this. I don't know, I'm just at a loss of words. I wish I had the car back already. Instead, I'm driving around this Ford F-150, and I guess I can't really knock that, because it's actually a pretty decent truck, even though if I got the base model, all cloth interior, but there's nothing wrong with it. Turns out that this truck actually drives pretty damn good. A lot better than what I expected for a base model. It's not four-wheel drive, it's just the lowest end F-150 that you could possibly get. The one downside that there is to it is the steering is very loose on it. I don't know if there's a problem with the truck or if that's how all of them are, but I just can't get over that, and it's way too loose for my liking. I guess overall, though, it's a much better vehicle than the Fiesta that I got when we did the recall. I absolutely hated that car. I don't know if you guys remember, but that is the worst car in the world. I'm so happy I didn't get stuck with the Fiesta again. I got this F-150. I wish I would have got a Fusion or something instead. Quick story, when I wrecked my BMW last time, that's what I got. I got a Fusion as a rental car, while the insurance adjusters decided what they were going to do, whether they were going to total the car or whatever they were going to do. They gave me a Fusion, and long story short, I was happy with that car. That car was beautiful. So it's been a long couple of days, and I just can't wait to get my car back, guys. It's so long without it. I mean, I went crazy during the recall. I couldn't wait to get my car back, and it seemed like it just kept getting pushed back further and further. And it's already been a couple of days so far. I'm just waiting to hear back about the diagnosis. Right now they're tearing apart the engine. seeing what the cause may be, and they're planning on letting me know exactly what has to be replaced. And hopefully, it's just the head and the head gasket. If it's the whole engine, is going to take quite some time for them to find a replacement because this engine isn't in production anymore, unfortunately. So they're a little more rare. Um, so with that being said, I may be out with without my RS for maybe even a month or so, and I'm not looking forward to that wait at all. Um, I'm already getting tired of this F-150 and want my car back. That car is so much more fun. I can't have any fun in this F-150, but that's okay. My car is getting fixed, fortunately. Um, I just gotta wait and see exactly what the problem is, and see a time frame. Alright, you guys, so that concludes yet again another video. As soon as I hear more information, I will be the first to let you guys know. Hopefully, I hear what the diagnostics report is within the next couple of days. And like I said, I'll let you guys know as soon as I hear more of it. Hopefully, you've enjoyed the video. Once again, sorry for the absence. And if you've enjoyed the video, of course, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below, and let me know what you think of the whole situation. Let me know what you think the problem is. I know, most likely it's the head gasket, but let's cross our fingers that maybe it's something minor. Besides that, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Until the next time, we're checking out.